Hi, Marissa.
So I'm a college student, and I have a pretty busy schedule, but I like to prioritize exercising and eating healthy. So my question for you is, when is the best time to eat before exercising? Is it before exercising or after? And what's the best thing to kind of eat before and after?
I think that it depends on what your goal is. If your goal is to have more like defined muscles, body, like those kind of bodybuilder type things, you need to eat before and after. So I would say about 45 minutes before you work out, something as simple as a protein shake that's going to give you, your protein, your fat, and your carbs, a little boost in there. But if you're trying to lose weight and you're able to work out on an empty stomach, I prefer to work out on an empty stomach, have my cardio workout, and then that's when it's time for you to eat a meal. So that's when you have your chicken breast, you can have green beans, brown rice, a little avocado, whatever it is that you're gonna be having to eat for that day, make sure that you eat within an hour of your workout, after your workout.
See, that's where I'm bad. I work out on an empty stomach, I drink a liter of water, but I'm just not hungry in the morning. I'm so busy. We do so much here. You take a handful of almonds, sometimes I'll steal some grapefruit, sections. Yep. I don't eat my main meal until later in the day because I want to eat with my husband.
I know.
Yeah. It's tough.
It's really tough for a lot of people, but if you're able to do that,
right,
you're going to feel better. You're going to have, your body has been just run through the ringer in your workout. Your body's being beat up. It needs the proper nutrients to recover and refuel.
Gotcha.